Hello, lovely students. Welcome to your second Luxembourgish mini lesson. In today's lesson, we'll deepen your understanding of Luxembourgish through a new three-part interactive quiz. To do this correctly, I recommend you to read everything carefully. It's not about finishing quickly. The goal is to do well right from the start. In the first part of this quiz, you are asked to match images with corresponding descriptions. Look carefully at each picture and select the answer that matches best. In the second part, you will have to complete sentences with the missing words. Read the incomplete sentence carefully and select the most appropriate answer to complete it. And finally, in part number 3, you have to answer multiple choice questions. Read each question carefully and select the answer that is most appropriate for you. Once you finish your mini lesson, you can see your results right away. And as before, you will have the explanation video in the coming days. Good luck and have fun. If you have any questions or recommendations, just let me know. Write me a mail. Thank you for being part of our Luxembourgish learning program. Talk soon.